Good morning, scholars. It's Marvelous Monday, and we are doing some reading with root words and endings. So we've done a little bit of work with this before. I wanted to talk to you today about how to remember when to add another consonant, so we make a double consonant, and when to just leave the word as it is when we add the ending for ed and ing. So here's your workbook page for today. And I'm looking at, this is our root word. Remember, a root word is a word that when I take off the ending, it still means something all by itself. If I just show this part, this word, right, this part of the word isn't actually a word. So the root word is the word that can stand by itself when you take away other endings or s's or ing, anything like that. So these are our root words over here that we're going to change to show the past tense form with our past tense marker ed, and with ing, that means it's happening right now. But we have to remember something when we do this. There are some clues as to when to add a double letter, as in stop, stopped, and stopping. You can see they added another P. And we call those the three yeses. First, I have to think about, does this have a short vowel sound, as in a, I, and If it does, that's one yes. So I might have to add an extra letter. The second clue is if there's only one consonant at the end. If there's only one consonant there, that's my second yes, because we've talked about this before. If I add ed to this, that e is going to change that o and make him say oh, so I have to protect that o. And usually that's enough to help you get to the point where you need to add another consonant. So that actually, those two yeses will work today. Short vowel and one consonant. Let's take a look at how this looks when we do this together. So I'm going to look at the first one that's not done, munch. First of all, it has a short vowel and it's one syllable. Oh, that's the third yes, it's one syllable. Okay, so munch, and that's a short vowel, but this one has three consonants, an N, a C, and an H. So I'm not going to need to add that ed. That one I can just write as is, munch, and then add the past tense marker. Now, whatever I do to this word when I add ed is going to follow the same rule for when I add ing. I don't need to add anything extra. I'm just going to write the root word and the ending ing, munching. Okay, let's do one more together. Sip, sip, ip. That's my short vowel for I. So that's my first yes. Now here's my second one. There's only one consonant here. That's my second yes. So that looks like I'm going to need to add a double consonant there to protect my vowel. So let's do that. And we're going to make two P's and an ed. Sipped. Remember, the same rule applies when I add my ing. Sip, and I've still got to add that double P to add ing. Hopefully this helps you with completing the rest of the activity.